लॉकडावनात आडकल्ल्यांक तशेंच कोरोना आड झुजांत हॉस्पिटलांतल्या वैजकी स्टाफाक आदार करूंक CSR वरवीं कंपन्यो तशेंच NGOय सक्रीय जाल्यात. कसिनो डेल्टिन ग्रुपान कळंगूट दुकळे हॉस्पिटल आनी कांदोळे बोजियो हॉस्पिटलांत प्रोटेक्टिव्ह किट्स वाटले. आदाराक आमदार मायकलूय आशिल्लो. बार्देजांत रेड क्रॉसय सक्रीय जाल्यात.
Smaller hospitals and the smaller clinics that also require the help and require these kits at such a time. We are just simply doing our civic duty, and from FC Goa and from the Deltin Group, we are simply identifying a few more of these small clinics and hospitals that require these kits that are usually not able to get it, these things at this time.
With the help of Deltin Group and FC Goa, I think whatever kits they have brought from Mumbai will be given to all these small hospitals, clinics, and some doctors also, because they require it for their nurses who are attending first, who come inside in the clinic, in the casualty. The patient meets the doctor and the nurse, and it is very important that they have the full dress on their body so that nothing is transmitted from one person to the other. So doctor has advised us what has to be done, and I think we need to take the proper advice of doctor and register it in our head and see that we do not transmit it to one another.
By and large, so far we were using things like this for the moment, but now our Honorable MLA will obviously provide it, because it's not easy to get the PPE kits these days. They are very short supply. So on behalf of Dr. Dukle's Hospital, I would like to profusely thank our Honorable MLA and also the sponsor for the activities that they are carrying out.
Indian Red Cross Society's purpose, number one, is to play an active role so that we help all of us to get rid of this coronavirus. That is number one. So we are giving knowledge to the people. We are giving understanding to the people. We are making people know what they are supposed to be doing and not doing. That becomes our major purpose. Simultaneously, Red Cross is a society to help people when they are in problems. The moment this lockdown was started, you have seen in the first few days, there was a problem all over. Problem was because of, number one, the panic. Number two, people didn't know what to do. And number three, many of them didn't have money in their pocket. And number four, routine things were not available.